talking about my Wayfarer Generation 2 glasses. I use these glasses to record a banana bread recipe video, and I'll be posting that. So if the quality is a bit off, guys, disregard. Let me know what you think about the quality, okay? Rate it out of 10. Hey guys, we're making banana bread today, and it's a very quick one. I'm just gonna run through it real quick, so stay till the end, okay? Thank you very much. So we're using 3 bananas. We're gonna mash the bananas, right? And yeah, excuse my camera quality. I was trying the Wayfarer Generation 2, and I don't know, it seems a bit off. Let me know in the comments what you think about the quality, okay? Yeah, so I mashed the bananas roughly. It's not going to be smooth or anything. And once I'm done mashing, I add my butter, the brown butter. And then I also go in with my brown sugar. So 3/4 cup of brown sugar. You'd see the ingredients up there on someone's screen. And then 1 tablespoon of white sugar. And then add 1 egg, room temperature, of course. Once I'm done, I'll add my vanilla extract. And then I'll whisk it till I get my desired consistency. Yeah, just close that, because why not? Mix till I get the consistency I want. And yeah, I'll just keep mixing. Exactly. Almost done now. Yeah, and then add my flour. Once I add my flour, I'm going to sieve it. I don't know why. I just like doing this. It's not necessary, okay? You can do whatever you want. Just add it in directly. But I like to sieve mine. And then once I'm done, I'll add my baking soda. When I add my baking soda, I'm going to mix. I don't know why I was using the whisk here, but I changed it almost immediately. And then I use my spatula to mix it very well to incorporate the flour and the wet ingredient. Mix it till you don't see any streak, like any flour streak. And yeah, that's it. Mix till I don't see any flour streaks left. Exactly. And then I go in with my milk. You guys don't skip this part. I promise you, you're going to love it. Your cake is going to come out, banana bread is going to come out decadent. Do not miss this part, okay? So you add your milk, and then you mix it. Don't mix too much. Don't over mix. Just mix till it's combined, and then you go with your buttermilk. Guys, again, do not miss this part. And then you mix till it's well combined. Shouldn't take more than 30 seconds, to be honest. And then once you're done, you can use chocolate chips. I like using Hershey's, and I know people swear that there are other brands out there, but this is my favorite. So yeah, I use the semi-sweet one. And then I just mix it till the chocolate chips incorporate nicely. And once I'm done, I, add it to my tin foil. I already layered it, so it'll be easy to bring out of the foil once I'm done baking. And I'm making 2 flavors, so the chocolate chip one and the chocolate chip with coconut. So yeah, I want more of chocolate chip and coconut, so I'm adding more to that pan. And then when I'm done, I'm just gonna add everything I need. So semi-sweet chocolate wafers, and yeah, design it, add as much as I can. So the one on my right is the one with the coconut flakes, and the one on my left is just the chocolate chips one. So add more chocolate chips, because why not if not? Then add as much as I can. Yeah, this doesn't take so long, to be honest. I do this almost every week. add more chocolate chips because, oh my goodness, it tastes so good. And I'm done. Then I already preheated my oven for 365 degrees. And I'll let that cook for 45 minutes. And it's ready, guys. Just look at that beauty. Again, I use my Wayfarer glasses, my Meta glasses. Like, what the hell? I'll probably use my other camera to record it so you see the quality. But you guys, this is what I was so lazy this weekend. And I wanted to, do a review. And yeah, it looks way better than it looks right now. And yeah, that's it. I always tend to finish my banana bread before it gets cool. But yeah, that's me eating it and tasting some more, and we're done. Yeah, that's it, guys. If you try this recipe, come back and thank me later because you're going to love it and you can never fail. You can never go wrong with this recipe, I assure you. Okay then, bye guys.